Traditionally used to remove paint, varnish, and wallpaper, modern heat guns are more advanced and can be used for everything from thawing pipes in winter to drying out wood or for shrink wrapping. There are many products available to choose best heat gun, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any farther delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Seekone Heat Gun. The Seekone 1800W heat gun offers immense power and is capable of heating up in a matter of seconds. It has a large temperature range with built-in temperature control and overload protection. With a temperature range of 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit, the heat gun is capable of handling most project needs. Unlike other dual-temperature heat guns in the market, the Seekone offers variable temperature control. The ergonomic design enables the user to avoid strain injuries that are commonly experienced when using other heat guns. The 1800W heat gun is capable of a shrinking wrap, cell phone repairs, heating PCVV, removing paint from floor tiles, heating, thawing and other purposes. The kit comes with an equipped nozzle and 3 additional replaceable nozzles to help you work on any surface. It also comes with a reflector to help you apply heat evenly on surfaces. Number 2. Wagner Spraytech Heat Gun. The Wagner HT1000 heat gun is one of the best tools available for removing paint, loosening rusted bolts, working on phone repairs, and more. The ease of use of the Spraytech is unmatched and is one of the most popular options among home dewars. With a temperature range of 750 degrees Fahrenheit to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, the heat gun has been built with durability in mind. In terms of performance, there are no issues when using the tool at higher temperatures for extended periods of time. You can use it for complex projects by taking advantage of the additional accessories and nozzles that come with the package. One of the highlight features of the heat gun is that it is capable of hands-free operation. You can make use of the stand to work on your projects without ever touching hot surfaces that can lead to work hazards. Number 3. DeWalt D26960K Heat Gun. The DeWalt Heat Gun isn't cheap, but it has a fully adjustable temperature dial, includes a hard case and accessory kit, and it has an LCD display, as well as a host of other features that make it the preferred choice of professionals and regular users. DeWalt's 3-year warranty is also generous compared to a lot of other manufacturer warranties. In terms of accessories, the DeWalt comes with 12 common accessories. This includes a variety of nozzles, and you also receive the hard case, which prevents the gun from getting damaged when in storage or in transit. The DeWalt offers greater functionality than most of its competitors, as evidenced by its greater variance in temperature settings and its collection of accessories. However, it is expensive, and this will prohibit its use for most people. Number 4. Genesis GHG1500A Heat Gun. The Genesis GHG1500A heat gun is one of the cheapest on our list. Despite having such a low price tag, though, it does have a variable temperature setting, with the air temperature options being 572 degrees Fahrenheit and 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. The device also comes with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty, but there are reports of the heat gun getting very hot and giving off an unpleasant smell during the gun's operation. The Genesis can be used for stripping paint, and its price means that it is one of the best heat guns for the money, but it will struggle with extensive use. We think this is the best heat gun for the money available this year. Number 5. Milwaukee Electric Tool Heat Gun. There are very few cordless heat guns that offer the power and versatility of wired counterparts. The Milwaukee Electric Tool 268820 is one of the best offerings out there if you are looking for premium heat guns that are portable. The lightweight and portable design of the 268820 heat gun is very impressive. The airflow in the tool is quite great, and even though it is portable, the battery doesn't heat up even with extended periods of usage. The kit comes with a carrying case, and you also get access to some of the best quality nozzles that you can interchange between for easy access. Whether you want to strip paint or use the tool for other purposes, the portable heat gun is capable of it all. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products.